In this video, I'll show you a few methods how you can find the WooCommerce version your website is running. The first one is log into your WordPress dashboard and then hover on WooCommerce and then select Status. Then at the very top, make sure the System Status tab is selected. And then under the WordPress environment, look for the WooCommerce version. In my case, it's 10.1.0. Alternatively, if you don't have access to WordPress dashboard, there's another method which you can use. For that, go back to the website, then right-click on the empty space, and then select Inspect. Now let me zoom in a little bit more. Then press Ctrl F, and then type generator. Then press Enter. Now look for this meta tag, name generator, content, WooCommerce, version 10.1.0. Just keep in mind that some websites may hide this tag, so it might not always be available. And lastly, the final method you can find the WordPress versions by using the file manager. For that, log into your hosting account, then go to control panel areas such as cPanel, and then under Files, click on the File Manager. Now open the public HTML folder, and then go to the root directory where your WordPress is installed, in my case within the subfolder dev store ecommercetv.ca. Right in here, you'll find folders such as WP admin, content includes. The folder of interest is wp-content. Let's open it, and then look for the plugins folder. Inside the plugins folder, click on the WooCommerce folder, and then look for the file called woocommerce.php. Right-click on it, then select View. As you can see at the very top, it shows the version number. In my case, it's 10.1.0. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.